Next, we can go ahead and power Passport on by holding the bottom left button for half a second. Perfect. So this is the first setup screen. So Passport's going to congratulate you and let you know to open the setup guide by scanning the QR code on the following screen. So here's the QR code for the setup guide. You can also access that setup guide by scanning the QR code on the postcard. I'm going to go ahead and scan that QR code for my device. And I'm going to pull the setup guide up on my phone. You could also do it by scanning the QR code on the device. Next, it's going to ask me to accept the terms of use. So we can scroll through and we can go ahead and find those terms of use right here. And you can go ahead and read these terms of use and especially note the items on the top. Those are really important. And when you're ready, you can go back. So I'm going to say that I accept the terms of use. And now I'm going to complete the Passport validation step, the supply chain validation. So this makes sure that Passport has not been tampered with during shipping and that this device was, programmed at the factory and is genuine. So to do that, I'm going to open up here the supply chain validation page. And I'm going to scan this QR code with Passport. Perfect. So Passport's showing me 4 words. I'm going to go ahead and type those words in. And I'm going to click validate. Perfect. So this is a success message. Passport has now passed the supply chain validation process. So I'm going to say that this was valid. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up my PIN. Passport requires a 6 to 12 digit PIN. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the first 4 numbers. I'm just going to make this PIN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but please, use a secure PIN. You'll see that after I enter the first 4 numbers, Passport actually stops me and offers 2 security words. In this case, shrimp and kidney. So we do this so that no one can swap your passport. That's a really easy attack, typically called an evil mate attack, where if someone swapped your passport out with a different device, maybe one that had modified malicious firmware on there, or recorded your PIN or anything like that, it's a really easy way to trick you into giving up your PIN. So every time you start to enter your PIN into Passport, when you enter the first 4 digits, it automatically pauses and shows you these security words. So I'm going to go ahead and click next and keep typing my PIN. So I'm going to type 5, 6, enter. And now the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it stops me to confirm the words. Then 5, 6. Perfect.